Alright, I'm at Academy. Still got the Federals in stock. She wants to know if she can help me out. Well, I'm over here, and here's the promo code, 20% off. Not working no more. So it doesn't work anymore. It was good while it lasted. These boxes were $22.99 each. And with that promo code, they came out to $18.39. 3.5 cents a round. So it was good while it lasted. Hope you all took advantage of it while I was out there. But they still got these in stock if you want to get them.